How to change a language in Gemini AI. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser in your device and in the search URL, type in gemini.google.com and then you will land on the official web page of Gemini. Now log in with your Google account. After you log in, navigate to top right corner. There you'll find your profile icon. Click on it. From this drop-down box, click on Manage your Google account. Now once you land on this home page, navigate to your left hand side and on this menu bar, click on Personal Info. Once you land in Personal Info, here scroll down, keep on scrolling and under this General Preferences for the web, there you find a language option, click on it. Scroll down a bit and there you get to change the language. Click on this edit icon right here. Now you can choose a language. For example, I want this language right here and then click on save. Now once you have changed your language, if you navigate back to Gemini AI and refresh your page, your language will be changed in Gemini AI. And that's the way to change language in Gemini AI, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.